Before treatment starts, this is what every Hope Aesthetics patient receives. Detailed scalp and follicle assessment, doctor-designed personalized protocols, regenerative technologies, comfort-focused treatment room, SOP control ISO procedures, and progress tracking and honest guidance. Some clinics sell treatment, but we deliver a medically guided hair restoration experience. Book your free consultation at Hope Aesthetics Clinic now.